ito pong ating mga ingredients sa ating juice. 1 apple sliced, and then 4 na lemon or calamansi, then sticks of celery, and then ginger, 3 cloves ng garlic, tsaka yung ating turmeric, and then 1/2 ng isang malaking cucumber, and that's all. At meron din pala akong dinagdag na malunggay leaves. So, ayan na po guys, tinitesting na po natin ng ating juicer for the first time at gumagana naman siya. Doon sa ating mga ingredients, at so far marami naman siya, and then nilagyan na natin ng ating squeezed lemon juice. At ayan na po siya, and then stir lang natin. So guys, taste test. It's yummy. Hindi ko ma-taste yung malunggay leaves. May sweetness siya at lasang-lasa ko yung taste ng celery at saka yung ginger. Yung 3 cloves of garlic, hindi ko nalasahan yung taste niya, pero medyo maanghang siya. So refreshing. Yung nagpapatamis niya is yung 1 apple, and it's yummy. Perfect siya pag may colds kayo, cough, tsaka yung allergy. Yummy. Pag hindi kayo sanay